Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and you are watching Azaz Patel official YouTube channel. Welcome to the part 41 of responsive e-learning website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial we successfully see that how can we get this icon from here. So in this tutorial we are going to working on this cart page. So first of all, what we are going to do here without wasting of time, let's get started. So I'm going to come back into the header.php here and here. Just look at here, we set here card.php. So I'm going to control plus N with the new file, select the PHP, copy that index dot, okay, not like that, source code index.php, copy this one, control A, control V, control S to save this one, and we save with the card.php. Come back again from here and save this file in after this index.php. okay, so change it this one with the card, and we doesn't need that slider from here. Okay, so let's echo one function from here, cart. Okay, so let's now we are going to the function.php from here, YouTube e-learning, and then inc, and then function.php from here, and here we are going to create a one function with the function cart. Okay, let's include first of all database connection from here, double quotes inc/db.php. okay, now the next task is we need to add something from here. Okay, let's see. First of all, we will create a echo double quotes and then div id equal to cart. Okay, let's close this div from here. So now we are going to the style sheet from here. Before the footer, we'll create one more thing, has cart. Let's set the height and width. So width will be 100%, height will be yeah, doesn't need any height. Padding 5% from all side, and then box sizing is the border box, and then let's set one background for the example purpose. Background has ff, oh not fff, black color. Let's refresh and click on this one, so you can see that call to undefined function include. Okay, from where? Function.php 48. Oh yeah, include. Okay, so let's refresh and check. So you can see that just because we doesn't clear any float here, so for that reason it is coming from here. So we use a br clear all property, refresh it, so you can see that okay, that is coming from here, but it is let's see one more thing from here. 100%. Let's set the padding for the 15% and see what we have here. Refresh that one. So let's try to clear the history first of all from here. Clear browsing data, clear data. Now close that one also, refresh it. So you can see that the background is coming now perfectly. But we need to set one more thing from here. You can see that the header is not fixing from here. So how can you do that? So simply, first of all, let's see with the 5%. So what we are going to do here, we are going to the header section from here. And here we say that position fixed. Okay, let's refresh. So you can see that the position is fixed now, but a slider is moving from top. Okay, so we need to avoid that one. So how can we avoid that one? So simply what we are going to do here, just simply close this icon from here, like the PHP from here, set one div with the id equal to wrap. Okay, close that div from here. Now going to the style.css, and after this header we use a wrapper, and we set the margin from top 19 pixels, just because this is the position fixed. So the 19 pixel of height, 90 pixel of height, it is coming from here, but we use a one wrapper div, and we said that that's a wrapper from margin top 90 pixel. Okay, so when I click on refresh, so you can see that. So also we need to set the header from top 0. Okay, let's refresh and check. So you can see that now it's working very well and perfect. As the same way, when I click on this card, so you can see that the let's going to the function.php and card. But before we card, we use also here div id equal to wrap, not from here. Let's see, not from here. Okay, from here, div id equal to wrap, and we'll close that wrap after this one div. Okay, so when I going to refresh that one, so you can see that now the 5% padding is coming perfectly. So now our next task is we need to design this one. Okay, so how can you design that one? So first of all, what we are going to do here, just simply going to the cart here. From here we said we use a padding, it doesn't use, let's see, just we use a padding but not 5%. Okay, 2% padding from here, and we set here 96% of width. Let's see now. And also we change the background color for the FFF. Let's refresh and check. So you can see that you can see that here is the space are available, just because we use a 96% of width. So one thing we are going to use here, margin from margin from top 0%, from right 2%, from bottom 0%, and from left 2%. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 96. So 96 plus 4 equal to 100% complete. So let's refresh and check. So you can see that the margin is coming now. You can see that from the both side, from the left and from the right, you can see that also coming from here. Okay, and we use here 1% margin from the bottom also. So let's refresh and check. So you can see that now it's looking very good, perfect. But we okay. Let's set also 2% from the top, just because we use one more thing from here. Refresh that one. So now again we need to clear the history. So clearing browsing data, clear data, close that one, refresh it. Okay, 4%. Let's see what we have with the 4%. Cart, and here is the cart, and we are targeting this cart from here. Okay, so why it's not coming? 10%. Refresh it. Okay, so you can see that 5%. Refresh that one. Say 8%. Refresh that one. I think 9% is perfect. 9%. Refresh that one. Okay, nice, looking very good and very good. So the next task is we need to design this one, this crumb. Okay, so how can you do that? So simply come back again from here. After the wrapper, inside wrapper, we use one id. We will create one id crumb. Okay, close that div from here. So now let's define the crumb from here. So same designing we are going to use here by Control C and paste that here by Control V. Change with the crumb. Refresh that one from here. So you can see that. You can see that. Okay. So the next task is 0. Refresh that. So you can see that it's coming from here. But we need to set here one height. Okay, not padding, 1% only. Refresh that, so you can see that. Let's see 1.5 from all side. Now refresh that one. Okay, nice, looking very good and perfect. The next task is we need to remove the margin from top is also from here. 2%. You can see that the perfect output is coming from here. So the now is next task is we need to create these links from here. So how can you do that? So simply come back again from here and set the one span tag from here, span tag closed from here. Inside that span tag we are going to use here href. A tag close home. Okay, for the home we use a index.php. Use the index.php. Refresh that one from here. Refresh it, so you can see that the home is coming from here. Same we have here. And now the next task is we use that one, and we use also one span tag from here. Span tag from here and my card, just because we are already into the my card page, so we doesn't need to give the link from here. We also need to give the link from here. Okay, you can see that. You can see that. So now the next task is we need to design that span tag from here. So we are going to come back again from here. Crumb have a span tag. So margin from right 1%. As the same way as Crumb have a span tag and a tag, then its text decoration will be none, and its color will be as 06F. Okay, let's see the output. Let's refresh and check. You can see that 1% coming from here, and also we need to set margin from the left 1% also. So you can see that. You can see that is coming perfectly. Let's say with the 0.5%, refresh it. So you can see that perfect output is coming from here as we have here. But we need to change the color of the span tag. So we are going to use the color as 74889E. Let's refresh. You can see that the color is coming from here, but we need to also change the color of that this one. So let's use here p tag. Let's refresh it. Okay, p tag is not working. So let's use a b tag here. B tag. Refresh that one. So you can use you can see that the b tag is coming from here. So then now the next task is we are coming back from here in the Crumb. Crumb here was some b tag. So it's a font weight normal, and then the next task is its color will be has 74889E. Okay, let's refresh and check. You can see that the perfect output is coming from here as we have here. Okay, but here the font size is small, and just look at here, here's the small font size is too big. So first of all, let's remove the padding for the 0%. Okay, so you can see that now it's looking very good, perfect. So now the next task is when someone hover on that A, so its text decoration will be underlined. So how can you do that? So simply on hover text decoration none. Oh no, not none. We use here underline. Let's refresh it. So you can see that when I am going to hover on this one, so it will be underline. So now the next task is we need to decrease the font size. So what we are going to do here, simply come back here, font size 14 pixel. Let's refresh and check. You can see that 14 pixel is perfect output as we have here. So the perfect output is coming from here. You can see that, but I think the padding is much more. 1%. Okay, let's use here. Okay, we doesn't need the padding from here. Let's remove the padding from here and see the output. Let's refresh that one. So you can see that the output is coming perfectly, but not it good. So we use here only padding from the left side 1%, and from the padding right 1%, and its box sizing border box. Let's refresh and check. So you can see that now let's set one height here. So let's set one height, GST 30 pixel, and also set the line height 30 pixel. Let's refresh it now. So you can see that now the output is coming perfectly. Now you can see that. I think 35 pixel. Let's see with the 35 pixel. So refresh that one. So you can see that perfect output as we have here. Let's use one more padding from the left side and right side 2%. Let's refresh and check. You can see that now it's looking very good, perfect output, perfect. So the next task is let's give the some shadow from the bottom. So we use here box shadow 0 pixel 5 pixel has 2e. Let's see. I'm going to refresh that one. So you can see that the shadow is coming, but we use here CCC. Refresh that one. So you can see that the shadow is coming perfectly. but let's decrease the height, increase the height 10 pixel. Oh sorry, shadow. Let's see with the 15 pixel. Refresh it, so you can see that the shadow is coming perfectly. You can see that as we have over here. But let's do it with the 20 pixel and let's refresh it. So you can see that now the looking very good, the shadow is coming perfectly. So guys, I think this lecture is too long, so we need to end this lecture from here. In next tutorial we are going to working on this design. So guys, I think this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share my videos, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, just because when I upload the new videos, then you can get the direct notification into your inbox. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? And we'll meet you in next tutorial. In next tutorial we are going to working on this one. So stay connected with me, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.